Connection instructions for Buick LaCrosse 2009 to 2012 car radio. The back of a car radio. The 16-pin connector handles various connections, such as car radio power supply, account ignition switch, reverse gear detection, steering wheel learning speakers, ambient light detection, CAN bus, etc. Plug the 8P connector into the power supply port of the protocol box. Connect the 6P connector to the panel control socket. And attach the black connector to the alarm unit Sport. These two black connectors mate with the ones in the vehicle. Once connected, every other plug that was originally in the factory radio can be skipped and does N-Trek wire reconnection. 20-pin audio-video multi-function connector. Features include external amplifier control, AUX right or left audio inputs, stereo line level I or O video input, external mic support and fan power output. Connect the microphone cable and the fan plug. Connect the 4-pin USB plug. Connect the 6-pin USB plug. Connect the car radio antenna plug. Connect the GPS antenna plug. This 10-pin interface supports reverse camera input, brake detection, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna connections. Connect the rear view camera extension cable. Connect the camera S, power cable and signal cable. Then connect the red wire from the power cable and the red wire from the signal extension together, and link them to the positive terminal of the car's reverse light. If your vehicle has a power amplifier, you need to connect the two RCA cables labeled FL out and FR out on the 20-pin plug to the amplifier cables in your car.